out with a Jen Auto Loan. Hey, it's your girl ZJ Sparks. Listen, Jen has a new, exciting and affordable loan offer just for you so that you can purchase a vehicle that suits your lifestyle. Whether it's a sedan, SUV, hatchback, pickup truck, anything you want, you can have it. Low monthly payments, that's what I'm talking about, and up to 10 years to repay. Isn't that pretty cool? All right, let's head on inside KIG and see what they have to offer.
Roll out, and Auto Loan, helping you on your journey. Roll out and make a statement in your brand new vehicle.
Hey, morning. Oh, good?
Yes.
Okay, all right. All right, Judith, good stuff.
Good morning.
Been meaning to come to KIG, we're finally here.
Finally, welcome to Kingston Industrial Garage. Welcome to KIG at Spanish Town Road.
Thank you.
A pleasure to have you. We have two locations. We have another one at 21 to 25 Old Hope Road for those customers who are in the Midtown area of Kingston. But we're so glad to have you down here today with us.
All right.
So I'm going to take you through our showroom.
Damien, tell me a little bit about this vehicle. Who is it targeted to?
Oh, so this is our mid-size SUV, and it is targeted to just about everyone.
Okay.
If you have a little adventure in your spirit,
Yeah.
then it's your car. If it's city life that you like, then it's your car. If you're a traveler, then this is ideally your car.
I
This
am a
car-
traveler.
You're a
I
traveler.
am city and I love adventure, so this sounds like me.
So it's a crossover, and
Okay.
so nicely put because the XV crosses all boundaries. It brings everything together: city life, country life, adventurous life, just about anything that you can consider. Now, what is beautiful about it, it comes with a 2000cc boxer engine, right? And it has an all-wheel drive, symmetrical all-wheel drive system.
Wow.
Now that means that all four wheels are always engaged.
Okay.
Right? It's a beautiful car because the ground clearance on it takes it into the 7th highest SUV all over. Now it doesn't appear to be high when you're looking at it. but the ground clearance,
It looks pretty high to me.
the ground clearance is at the lowest point under the car is 8.9 inches clear of whatever obstacle it is that you're gonna face. So on our bad roads in Kingston, on our good roads out of town, and in the bushes, it's perfect for that.
I love it. Can I look inside?
Of course.
Okay. Wow, let me just have a seat.
Now we entered just now,
Woo!
and I didn't get a chance to show you, but this is our smart key.
Right.
Now once the key is on your person, inside your pocket, and the vehicle is closed, you touch the door handle, and it opens. And this goes across the 3 models that we carry. And we have an entry level that has a different key. If you should push the button for me, and that's a stop-start button.
Do you have to press the brakes?
But at this point, I
No?
wouldn't want you to press
Okay.
the brake because we're not going to start the car. I just want
Alright.
the dashboard to light up, yeah?
Okay.
All right. Now, at this point, once you touch the button with your feet on the brake, then the car will automatically start,
Okay.
right?
Should I do that?
This car is driver-centered,
Okay.
all right? Now, Sparks, this is it. Once you're on the road and you're in your journey, then all the features that you would need to activate are all on your steering wheel.
Oh.
And Subaru's mantra is about safety. So one of the main things about it is that you're focused on driving your car, keeping your hands on the steering wheel, and you can activate whatever accessory that you need to activate while driving. They went a step further by giving you voice command, and voice command gives you 4 features that you can control. Now your air condition, both the temperature and the fan speed is connected via voice command. Your radio, so you can change your stations. You can slip from CD to USB, and you can go to your Bluetooth function, all through voice command. And
Wow.
of course, last but not least, your phone, once it's connected, and whether you have an Apple or an Android phone, then Apple CarPlay is also a part of the Subaru platform, and Android Auto is also a part of the Subaru platform. But they go a step further, because you may have a platform that is a little unusual.
Right.
Now what it is that Subaru has its own platform, which is called
Oh, it
Subaru
does?
Starlink.
Okay.
And that will then take any other platform that your phone or your iPad or your Android or your tablet device uses and connect it to the car. So you have complete connectivity, and synergy is once you're inside the car. This is our small and sweet mix and match SUV promotion. So let me take you over to Fabian
All right.
with the Ford EcoSport.
Good stuff. Good stuff. Good morning, Fabian.
Hey, Sparky, how you doing?
I love the color.
Yeah, man, it's
the
great.
titanium, right?
This is a titanium, actually.
What color red is this?
This red is called the race red.
I love it. I
Yes,
love
yes,
it.
yes.
But before I go on,
Yes.
how many color options are
All
there?
right, so you have approximately 7 color options. So you
Okay.
have the red, you have the blue beside it, you have white, you have black, you have gray, you have silver.
So you have
So
variety.
you have a variety of colors.
Talk to me about this baby.
All right, so this here is our 2020 Ford EcoSport, and this is actually the titanium package. Of course, the one over there is the Trend, which is a fabric model.
Right.
So this here,
Who is this best suited for? Is it like a young professional, a young couple with no children,
even
small
the
family?
elderly too, who doesn't want a big SUV.
Okay.
This is right for them. A compact SUV from Ford. This is right for them, Sparky.
All right.
So this right here, keyless entry, button start.
Okay.
Right. Now this vehicle, being the titanium, it comes stocked with reverse sensors, reverse camera, and also you have front sensors as well.
Oh.
So you don't have to worry if you're parking and you want to get close to the wall, the sensor will tell you when to stop.
Looks
Right?
good. Let's go
Definitely.
inside. I think we should check it out.
Sure, go right ahead.
All right.
Right.
Let me tell you one thing that caught my
Yes.
attention
What's that now?
immediately.
What's that?
Because I have passengers who always want to charge their phones.
Right.
Immediately I realized that,
That
they have
r-
dual
Dual,
charging
and
ports.
also we have around here as well.
Oh.
Yes, in the door. In the door, we have the charging port in the door as well. So
Impressive.
this vehicle here, let me tell you about some of the cool features. So automatic headlights, that's standard. That's in the titanium and also in the Trend, right? You have automatic headlights as well. Did I say automatic headlights?
Yes, you
automatic
did.
headlights, automatic rain sensing wipers. So once it starts to rain, you don't have to worry about that. Once the
just
wiper
starts
switch is on
cleaning?
auto, you're good to go. Once
Okay.
your headlight switch is on auto and it gets dark, you're good to go.
Okay.
Good.
I like that.
As I said, you have your reverse camera and comes up in your 8-inch display here. So you can kindly put your foot on the brake pedal and just select reverse to show you what's happening. There you
Ah.
go. Very bright. And if somebody should walk across, the sensor comes on as well.
Oh.
Same thing with the front parking sensor. Once you're driving, they will tell you what's happening in front of you as well.
Impressive.
Bluetooth connectivity. What else? Paddle shifters. Paddle shifters come in the titanium. So this vehicle right here, it's very zippy, very fuel efficient,
Yes.
and it's small. You can tuck it and nip it and do all sort of thing with it.
You know, one of the things I felt as I jumped in, it feels so sporty. It feels like it will just punch on the
Yes,
road.
trust me.
Am I
As you-
right?
As you talk about punch, let me tell you something.
All
Step
right.
out of it.
All
Step out
right.
of it. Now, this vehicle right here, Sparky, you can have 5 passengers in here, and you're going up Mount Russell, and this vehicle will shoot over Mount Russell.
Wow,
Why
it
is
has
that
a lot
so?
of power.
A lot of power, approximately
What's the size?
123 horsepower.
Okay.
Now, you guess and tell me.
I would say it's probably about 1800.
1800, no.
No?
This vehicle here has a 1-liter turbo sparking under here.
Goody!
Right?
I love
Yep.
it. I absolutely
1
love
liter
it. I love the colors,
Turbocharged.
Fabian.
That's right. This is very, 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 very economical.
And it seems to be aerodynamic as well.
Trust me, man. And when you talk about comfort, this vehicle right here,
All right.
Ford EcoSport.
Thank you so
All right?
much.
You're most welcome,
All
Sparky.
right, so let me see. I've been to the Subaru.
Right.
I've been
Ford.
over here to the
Yep,
Ford.
definitely.
I need to take a look and see what's happening over by
Of
Jeep.
course,
Where's
come
Matthew?
on. Let's go.
All right, so Matthew, listen, you have a big job today because Damien sold me, Fabian sold me. Talk to us about the Jeep, the Wrangler.
Well, as you can see, this is the iconic SUV from Jeep. Signature 7-slot grille, those big round bulbs at the front lets you know that this is the off-road machine for you. So the Jeep Wrangler, what really sets this SUV apart from all the SUVs in this class is unique features such as removable doors, removable top.
Hold on, what do you mean removable? You can't
You
take
can
off the
take
doors?
the doors right off.
So like one day you wake up and you just feel sporty, you can't be bothered with the door, you can't take it off?
That's correct.
Wow.
You can even fold down the windshield onto the bonnet and have a complete open air experience.
Wow.
No other SUV gives you that option currently. And of course, all Jeeps are trail rated, meaning they have a robust 4x4 system. As a matter of fact, that's a legendary 4x4 system that Jeep is known for. For over 80 years, Jeep has been going strong with their 4x4 machines.
You know what I want to ask you, because these things drew my attention. I don't know, are they like vents?
Well, these are vents. Sometimes they are purposeful, but right now it's actually just fascia. So
Okay. All right.
gives it a cool look.
It certainly does. Adds to the aesthetic. So tell
Now,
me some more about the Wrangler.
The Jeep Wrangler that we carry is a 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder engine. So, you know, 4 cylinders gives you very good fuel consumption, but that turbo gives you the power and torque when you need it. 270 horsepower, 295 pound-feet of torque. This trim that we're looking at is the more luxury option. So this one has neat features like leather interior, it has remote start capabilities,
Wow.
premium surround sound by Alpine that is so sublime.
Alpine is a good sound. Absolutely.
Oh, yeah.
I love it. And the seats feel very sturdy, very
They
solid.
are. So this is a rugged machine. It is intended to go off-road. But as I said, this luxury option here fitted with leather seats, nice and comfortable but firm to keep you in your seat while you're rocking and rolling off-road.
No doubt it has excellent suspension. I mean, to be
Definitely.
able to do all of that and with the power that you mentioned.
Correct. So a strong suspension using coil springs at the front and the back.
Okay.
Now, even though we have the luxury option here, we have a lower end trim, which is a sport, and we also have a more extreme off-road option, which is the Rubicon.
Okay.
A lot of people know about the Rubicon. That one comes with electronic disconnecting front sway bar. It has electronic locking rear and front diffs. So when you're off-road, you have all the features that you need to get you where you need to go. And that brings me to what Jeep's slogan is. Go anywhere, do anything. And with these vehicles, you surely can do just that.
I absolutely love it. Thank you, Matthew.
You're welcome.
All right. Jeep Wrangler, bossy boy.
So you've seen one of each of our models.
I have.
I don't know if you have a favorite.
Yeah, I do actually.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're going to step outside because we have some vehicles lined up for you for a test drive,
All
and you
right.
get to choose one.
All right, let's do it.
Okay, so we're out here in our customer service courtyard.
Yeah.
We have a cafe dolce. We have a deck where someone can enjoy a cup of coffee in the morning. We have our newly refurbished customer service lounge and our vehicle delivery area.
Okay, good
And
stuff.
Yeah, here are our 4 vehicles that you can choose from for your
Wow.
test drive.
I love it. I
Yep,
love
yep.
it. I think I'm gonna go with XV. Woo! Some pretty cool vehicles inside KIG. Listen, contact jnbank.com. Submit your details and a representative will contact you. It's as easy as that. It's all about the JN Auto Loan. Affordable, accessible, exciting, and new.